That one line solo. So then I play this repeating part. So what I'm playing is, right, this is the part 3 of the series how to play worship guitar in church. So if you're a guitarist and you play in church and you want to learn how you can come in as a guitarist, what to play as a guitarist in church, this video and series is for you. If you haven't watched part 1 and part 2, I advise you to do that because you're going to find it helpful. What I'm simply doing is picking a song and then I'm playing along while explaining my thought process, what I think about, what are the scales I play, what is the approach I use in playing worship in church. Alright, so I found this video on TikTok. and I'm going to play it. Then you're going to see how I play. Alright, the first thing I do, I find the key. Alright, this is on an A. So I think I listen. And the moon, it will not hurt me. So we're in A, alright? The flood will sweep me. In this video, I'm going to focus on the lead lines to play. What are the lead lines to play, right? In a situation like this. In other videos, I talked about the chords and all of that variation. So check it out. In this video, I'm going to focus on the scales to play or lead lines. So I just stick on the 1, right? Alright? Right? I can stick to one line, that one line solo. So then I play this repeating part. So what I'm playing is do, 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 ti, so. So what I played was do, 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 ti, so, right? Da, 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 da. So you can repeat it when a build-up is going on. Alright? So another thing to note is when you're in this shape, right, it's important to know the major scale in different positions. Very, very important. And if you don't know how to play the major scale in different positions, watch the videos in the link below, right? So what I'm simply using is this shape. So I'm repeating it. So when it's playing, like, right? What I did was just to play my major scale fast. Alright? So you can also play your triad. So you can go back to the chord when the jam is calm, right? For this song 1. Go 5, right? So you can just play around it. So it's 2, re, keeping then 6, la. I'm using my whammy bar, right? Then my A major, covenant keeping. What I'm doing is, if you know this shape, this is your so, do, mi. So your root is on the second string here. So I'm using this. Da, da, da. So I'm doing da, 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 da. So pick the guitar and play along. Pause the video if you're not understanding. Ensure you pause the video, pick your guitar and play along step by step so that you get it, right? So when the music has a build up at that point, that's when I start playing all of this. So I am not using a pedal right now, still expecting a pedal. So yeah, if you don't have a pedal, I'm going to create a video where I explain how to play guitar without pedal and have effects, right, with your PC and all of that. If you want to see that, let me hear in the comment section. All right, so I would have explained how to do swells, but I cannot do it right now because I don't have a pedal to explain. So I'm using my whammy, but I play the note, right? So when the jam is like slow, for example, did you hear that? All right. You will be and that is all that matters. Yeah, so that's the trick I use. All right. The floor will sweep me. Okay. So it's important to learn all these triad shapes. So just know this is my 4, 5, 6, and just play around it. Yeah, so that is how I play worship in church. If you haven't watched part 1 and 2, like, do that because he explains the basic concept and approach I used to play worship in church. So ensure you take your time and check it out. If you have other questions regarding worship, like different sessions, just drop the comment for me. I'm always open and I'm going to reply you. If you don't know how to solo, for example, right, it's very important because it plays a vital role in knowing how to play worship in church, because there are times that it's going to be required of you to just improvise. Like when, imagine the person is singing and like, can you lift up your hands and worship? Lift up your hands and worship. You can just play. If you don't know how to improvise, it's going to be difficult for you, right? So I was talking about soloing. If you don't know how to improvise, I have created a course and I'm giving it at a discount with the link below. Just click it and get it for yourself right now. If you want me to do a course on worship guitar tutorials, let me know because I'm thinking of considering it, but I'm not sure whether you guys want it. So your comments will tell me if you guys want a worship guitar course or not. So yeah, if you find it helpful, please hit the subscribe button. If you are new to the channel, notifications so that you watch videos like this. So I hope you guys enjoy it and I'm going to see you in the next video. Cheers.